everybody and welcome to Travel and Cook with Shweta, and in today's video I will be showing you how do I pack my suitcase every single time that I travel. Alright guys, so this is the big suitcase that we have. It's quite big. If I show it to you, check this one out. It's quite big, it's Samsonite, and so this is the suitcase that we carry every single time that we go on our layovers. So layovers meaning is we leave our base for a day or two or even for a week. So that is where we stay out station and then we come back. So this bag is mandatory when it is a layover for us. So I'm going to show you what's inside my bag. Or rather, how do I pack my bags? Okay, so let's open this. Thing here is we all have the same suitcase, so it's very easy to get mixed up, right? So these stickers here, it's company provided stickers, so we put our codes or our names or whatever that you can remember or you can identify your suitcase with. We try to put everything here. So mine is BOM, that is the airport code of Bombay, because I am from Bombay, and my bag also says Bombay. So this is the suitcase here. I'm gonna show you what do I actually carry. So this one is the makeup pouch. Of course, my makeup pouch goes in here, and I have certain makeup pouch in my handbag as well. Then in this tiny pouch here, it has all the adapters, cables. Old adapter, I had it a couple of times. I bought it, but it didn't work very well for me. I stopped buying those and I started collecting like different adapters. This is for Europe, this is for US, this is for Australia, and this is again, it's for US. I have all sorts of adapters, and that's all in this bag here. So this lovely pouch here, this has all my winter essentials. We have to pack our bags according to where we go, which destination are we flying to. We have to check the temperature, we have to check the weather, and sometimes, not sometimes, so many times I have packed my bags and there has been a wardrobe malfunction. I reached the destination, it is extremely cold or extremely warm or either or, and I cannot go out. But yeah, lessons learned, I carry everything. This one, and then this one is obviously the hot water bag. You don't know when you need it. I have it in my bag all the time. So this one here is my toiletry pack, and you just open it and you hang it in there. So this one stays with me, of course, every time that I travel. It's very easy. This one I bought it from Amazon, I think, and it's just, you just hang it in the bathroom and it has all your essentials. Okay, so this one here is a pouch of shoes. I carry shoes, slippers. If I'm traveling to cold destination, I have to pack my boots. I have to pack my leg warmers. There is a lot of stuff, guys. It's like this bag is not properly packed. It's just basic stuff, like let's say if I'm going to Asia or something, this is how I would carry my bag. But if I'm going to a cold destination, trust you me, I do not have any space in this bag, because then I have to carry my overcoat, my shoes, my boots, my leg warmers, basically all the winter essentials you can imagine, and you have to pack everything in here, and then plus you shop from the layovers. So that is another mystery, how we actually pack. We actually sit on the suitcase and we try to pack it. Okay, so this is a big shopping bag that I always have in my bag. I don't take those plastic bags from wherever I go, so I carry this bag with me whenever I'm going out for shopping. And this big bag here has my clothes. It has my night suit, my jeans, my tops, all my clothes goes in this one. So it's packed in here, nice and packed, so that it doesn't go all over the place. As I said it in my previous video as well, I like to be organized, and my bags is full of pouches and bags and all of that. You will not see a single thing loitering around and not in the pouches. So I always carry everything in pouches and in sections. This one here, do you really want to know what's in here? Okay, so this is my dry stores. Dry stores meaning is it has I will show it to you. What do I have? So basically it has soup sachets in here. It's all the edible, guys. Small Nutella. This is my lovely one. This is my lovely poha. I carry two in one poha. It's like just add water, leave it, and your lovely poha is ready. This is only for emergencies, guys. It's like a lot of people I know, they carry cup noodles, they carry electric cooker. It's a small travel cooker and you can actually cook food in there. A lot of people, they do that, but these things that I carry is only when I travel. Let's say I'm landing at odd hours and there is no room service, there is nowhere that I can go to eat. This comes in handy, so I always pack this in my suitcase, and you will find this kind of bags in every cabin crew's suitcase, because we have to be prepared. You don't know where you're going, and then sometimes you don't get food, you don't want to be starving, so this comes in handy. Also, this bag doesn't go on all the layovers. Like, let's say if you're flying to Australia, Australian government doesn't allow us to carry any edibles with us, so we have to remove that from our bags. So it depends on the destination that we travel to, we carry these bags. Okay, so let's see what's in there. And of course my caffeine dose, my teas and coffees, and Samahan. Again, Samahan is in all my bags. So Sri Lankans, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. So all these bags, it has like teas and coffees and all of that, chamomile tea, green tea, I don't know what not, tulsi tea. I have everything in this bag. I have chips, then I have biscuits. Guys, I have everything. I pack everything and I'm ready for whatever comes my way, I won't be starving, I know that for sure. Then I have some chocolate, what is it called? It's called pepero, but I don't know what this is called. It's like a stick with chocolate on top. You snack on sometimes. And that's it, I think. Yeah, that's it. There is nothing else. And then this one, again, it's a soup in this box, so I carry another kind of soup, and that's it. I think that's it. This is all that I carry in this bag, but this is not packed for winters. This is just packed randomly for let's say I'm going to Asia. This is the bag that I'm gonna carry. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please stay tuned, and also comment down below if you're liking my vlogs, because unless and until you guys comment down below, I wouldn't know if you're liking my vlogs or not. Guys, be safe, take care of yourself. If you like my video, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button, so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification. Take care. Bye-bye.